This video is a demonstration of the noise that suddenly occurs at around the 800 watt power consumption as a compressor is ramping up. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the AC right now. It's currently 90 degrees inside the coach. I've got the AC set to mode is cool, and the fan is on auto, and the set temperature is 78. Well, you can't really see it, but anyway, here we go. Here we go. You can see it starts out pretty loud. And again, I'm holding it right up here next to the fan. Okay, the compressor just started up. And it's not really a good reflection of the actual sound that's heard. If I hold it down here, well, it's still showing pretty high. It's going to take a minute or two for it to ramp up to the 800 watts of power consumption, as I previously mentioned. Unfortunately, the Victron app is on the same phone that I'm filming this video with, so I can't really show you the power consumption. Here we go, ramping up again. There it just went. Change of tone, and volume went up about a decibel, but the change in tone, you definitely could hear it. At least I hope you can hear it. We'll find out when I play this video back. That's it.